Yes, once again, welcome back, my dear students. Okay, so maximum number of students are they did homework and they sent to me. Okay, so very good process. Okay, so keep do like that only. Okay, still anybody doubts are there, you can WhatsApp to me. Okay, so when the process will be like this, it is very good. Okay, it's not like a when the starting days are like that. So 2 years you should struggle like anything. Okay, that means you should do hard work. Okay, then it is good. So you can get the good rank and all. Okay, so thank you. Okay, yes. Now our previous class we discussed about how to get the solutions for linear equations and quadratic equations. Linear and quadratic. Okay. You know from your lower classes, you know how to solve linear equations and quadratic equation, and also we also observed here by factorization and by formula. Okay. Yes. Now more than quadratic, how to solve? Correct or not? Yes. So you see here. That means what? Up to your SSLC, you know to solve linear and quadratic only. For example, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. X is minus 2 by 3. You know how to solve what? Linear equations and quadratic equations. Suppose x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. It's a one quadratic equation. Okay. Then a more than degree, that means more than second. That means more than the power 2. That means more than, so the degree may be here. So 1, 2, 3 or anything. Then how to solve those type of questions? Correct or not? Yes. See, before that you should know that what is the degree. Okay. Degree of any polynomial. Degree of any polynomial is nothing but degree means what? Highest in a polynomial, highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. In a polynomial, highest power of the variable is called its degree. Is called its degree. Okay. For example, okay, there is a 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So here, that's why I discussed with you what is the constant, what is the variable in first day in first class itself. Okay. Here 5 is a constant, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 is a constant, 3 is a constant. ಹೌದಾ? ಹೌದು. Here x is what? X is a variable. X is a variable. What that means? In a polynomial, highest power of the variable is called degree of that polynomial. Highest power of the variable. Here x is a variable. Its power is what? 1. That's what's the reason. So this polynomial degree is what? 1. Highest power of the variable. Clear? Yes. So degree is what? 1. Okay? Yes. For example, second one is there. 3 square x plus 7 power 10 equal to 0. 3 square x plus 7 power 10 equal to 0. Please observe this polynomial also. Yes. What is the degree of this polynomial? Okay. 2 or 10. You may get doubt, right? 2 or 10. Yes. Got the doubt? Yes. But here if you observe the definition, highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. So here highest power of the what? Variable. Okay. So now here what is the 3 is what? Constant. 7 is what? Constant. But we should take the what? Highest power of the variable only. Okay. So here x is what? Variable. Its power is what? 1. That's why what is the degree? Yes. So what is this degree also what? 1 only. All of you observing? Don't get doubt. Okay. Don't be confused. What the degree means once again? In any polynomial, highest power of the variable. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x is a variable, 3 is a constant, 7 is a constant. ನಾವೇನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? highest power of the variable only ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So here x power is what? 1. That's a degree 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಪವರ್ ಏನು? 2. ಬಟ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್. ಯಾಕೆ? 3 is a constant. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 10. ಬಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್. ಯಾಕೆ? 7 is a constant. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? highest power of the variable. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Yes. One more example ತಗೋರಿ. Suppose for example 5x square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Yes, what is the degree? ಏನಪ್ಪ degree? Yes, very good. highest power ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? x power 1 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x power ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. So what is the degree ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Degree what? 2. So why? Because our variable here is x. ಏನಪ್ಪ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? x. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಏನು? 2. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಏನು? 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? highest power of the variable. Once again, degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? highest power of the variable. Please observe the one more example. 2 power 5 into x square plus 7 power 7 into x plus 5 power 10. Yes. Now please observe. Ellaru observe madri. 2 power 5 into x square, 7 power 7 into x plus 5 power 10 equal to 0. ಇದು ಒಂದು polynomial. Which degree polynomial? ಅಂದ್ರೆ anybody? Very good. Second degree polynomial only. ಯಾಕೆ? ನಮ್ಮ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಏನು? x ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ 10 ಇದೆ 10 ಅಂತ 10 ಇದೆ 10 ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಾರದು. ಯಾಕೆ? 5 is a constant. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪವರ್ ಬೇಕು? ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಬೇಕು. ವಿಚ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಆ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. 3x cube minus 7x square plus 2 power 5 into x plus 7 equal to 0. Yes. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ? Which degree? Here what is the variable here? X. X highest power is 2. 3. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ 2 power 5 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. But 2 is a constant. But which degree which power you have to take to get the degree? Variable degree only we should consider. Understood all of you? Yeah, that's what is the here what is the variable degree highest? 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. But which is the degree highest? Here which is the degree highest? 3. That's what is the degree here? 3. Thus it is a third degree polynomial. ಏನಂತ? Third degree polynomial. Are you clear all of you now? Yes. Degree means what? In a polynomial, highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. Clear? Very good. One more example, please observe madri. X power 10 plus 7 power 15 equal to 0. Simple example. X power 10 plus 7 power 15 equal to 0. Anybody? What is the degree? 15 or not? Is it 15 or 10? Yes, very good. It's 10. Okay. ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಪವರ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ x its power is 10 that's why degree ಏನು 10 not 15 ಯಾಕೆ 7 is a constant ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ x square plus x power 5 plus x power 7 plus 7 power 5 equal to 0. What is the degree? Very good. Here x square is there, here x power 5 is there, here x power 7 is there. But here 7 power 5. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ಯಾಕೆ 7 is a constant. So that's why what is the variable? X is the variable, highest power ಏನು 7. So what is the degree here? So therefore degree is what? 7 only. Clear ಆಯ್ತೀಗ? So degree means what? In a polynomial, highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. Clear? Yes. Now through degree also we can define the polynomials. Observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay? If degree equal to 1, that polynomial is called linear polynomial. Okay, if degree is equal to 1 is called linear polynomial. Andre for example ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು okay your previous also we discussed okay 7x plus 3 equal to 0. 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, it's a polynomial first degree equation. Linear polynomial or first degree equation. Okay, so x power what? 1. 2 by 3x minus 7 equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Okay, degree is what? 1. 5 plus 2x, it's also what? Linear polynomial. Okay, degree is what? 1. Degree is what? 1. Clear all of you these three? So degree is 1, it is called linear polynomial. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ immediately doubt ಬಂತಾ sir what about the degree 0 sir ಬಂತಾ not somebody they got doubt or not? Very good, that I will come to now point. ಇದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ all of you linear? Very good. Five is there. What is the degree? ಇದೇನು 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's a constant, fixed value starting. I told you. Yes, it's a constant, it's a fixed value. Is it or not? Then how to take the degree of the constant? Anybody? Very good. 5 we can write as x power 0. Clear? Since we know that a power 0 is 1. X power 0 how much? 1. 1 into 5, 5. That means 5 we can write as 5 into x power 0. Andre variable power ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು here? 0 ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the degree? 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ constant 5 degree 0. Suppose -7 ತಗೋರಿ. How to find out degree of -7? ಯಾವ ತರ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? It's a constant. How to write? Very good. -7 into x power 0. Because x power 0 is the ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ? 1. So -7 into 1 is 2. -7. All of you understanding? Yes. 2 by 3. Suppose 2 by 3 degree. It's a constant. What is the degree? 0. Yake? What is the reason? 2 by 3 into x power 0. Clear? Root 2. Otherwise you can take minus also. Minus 1 by 2. Correct or not? Then how to take? Minus 1 by 2 into x power 0. Clear aita? That root will come out. Clear? Andre, if you take any constant, its degree s2 0 0 0 0. Andre, every constant is a 0 degree polynomial. Make it note. Every constant is a 0 degree polynomial, or you can say okay, a constant is called 0 degree polynomial. Write down. Okay na? So constant andre enantaro 0 degree polynomial. Yes, every constant is a 0 degree polynomial. Please maintain that. Clear? Yes. Now we can go for examples. These are the examples. Why? What is the reason? Nimge gottayitu iga. Yake every constant yake 0 degree polynomial andre 5 we can write 5 into x power 0. Minus 7 you can write minus 7 into x power 0. 2 by 3 we can write 2 by 3 into x power 0. So minus 1 by 2 we can write minus 1 by 2 into x power 0. Andre every constant we can write into x power 0. But x andre enu variable according to nam definition degree andre enappa highest power of the variable. Illi power variable degree power ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯಿತು x degree always 0 ಆಯಿತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ degree become 0. ಅಂದರೆ constant is a 0 degree polynomial. Constant is a what? 0 degree polynomial. ಇದು example ತಗೋರಿ. Clear? Very good. Important. Okay? If degree equal to 2 is called quadratic polynomial or simply second degree polynomial. Okay? If degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial or second degree polynomial. Nimge gottu examples. Okay, x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. First degree 2 or not? Highest power 7 into x square minus 5 cube is equal to 0. Correct or not? Illi 5 is a constant ತಗೋಬಾರದು, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Clear? Yes, here also like that only. X power ತಗೋಬೇಕು, constant ತಗೋಬಾರದು. Okay? But here 7 is there, but it is a constant. Now ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Variable only you should take. Here is highest power is to 2. So highest power of the variable is 2. That is called quadratic polynomial or second degree polynomial. Clear? Yes. Okay, Rota? One more example you want? Yeah, take. Yes. What is the degree? 2, not 10. Okay, 5 is a constant, x is a variable. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಕಾ? ಸಾಕು? Very good. Like that we can create for any quadratic polynomials. Okay? Right. Yes. If degree is 3 is called anybody? Yes. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial, or you can say third degree polynomial. Third degree polynomial. Okay? For example, x cube minus 7x square plus 10x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay? Here x cube is there, 3 is there. Highest power of the variable is what amma? 3 ಆಯಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ what is the degree ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 3. Okay? Yes. Now 7x power cube plus 5 power 4 into x square minus 2 power 10 into x plus 1 equal to 0. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು degree? Yes. Degree highest is what? 3. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 is what? Constant. ಅದು ತಗೋಬಾರದು. Degree variable power ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Clear? Yes, simple. X cube plus 7 equal to 0. Just a degree 3. Okay? Now also degree is what? 3. Okay? Because highest power of the what? Variable you should take, not constant. Here 5 is what? Constant. That's why. Like that you can take examples. Okay? If degree is 4, biquadratic polynomial or fourth degree polynomial. If degree is 4, that is called what? Biquadratic polynomial or fourth degree polynomial or fourth degree equation. Okay? If you take also no problem, I will leave it. X power 4 minus x cube plus x square minus x plus 1. If you want to take, I will leave it. Here 4 is the highest degree, right? Yes. 5x square plus 7x cube minus 8 into x power 4, okay, plus 7 power 5 equal to 0. Okay. So what is the highest power of the variable is? 4. So what is the degree? Degree is 4. Okay. x power 4 plus 5 power 5 ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ is 4 because ಎಷ್ಟು power is 4 ಆ ತರ ನೀವು even though ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 power 5 ಇದೆ but 7 is ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬಾರದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಸ್ ಆ ತರ if degree is 5 that is called 5th degree polynomial degree is 6 that is called 6th degree polynomial ಆ ತರ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎಸ್ 5 ಬೇಕಾ once 5 ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ if degree is equal to 5 is called 5th degree polynomial or if you want more side fifth degree polynomial simple 7 into x power 5 plus 10 fifth degree or not fifth degree or not x power 5 x power 4 x square x or the highest degree is what highest power is what 5 as the degree is what 5 clear like that you can take 6th degree 7th degree any degree polynomial okay so degree means what once again in a polynomial highest power of the variable in a polynomial highest power of the variable is called degree of that polynomial simple okay in a polynomial highest power of the variable is called what degree of that polynomial clear not constant which power ತಗೋಬೇಕು variable power ತಗೋಬೇಕು clear ಆಯ್ತಾ yes ಆ ತರ ನಿಮಗೆ 6th 7th 8th 10th ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ polynomials ಆ ತರ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ one polynomial ತಗೋಣ ಆರ್ one equation ತಗೋಣ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ how many solutions ಇದೆ for that polynomial ಯಾವ ತರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ okay then so for given polynomial how many roots or you can say solutions you know very well correct or not roots are solutions of that equation how we will come to know that for the given polynomial correct so once I given when I am discussing the quadratic equation I be cleared one point what is that for example okay simple again there is a x minus 2 equal to 0 there is a first degree polynomial linear equation correct or not yeah there is x minus 2 equal to 0 so what is the solution what is the root of this equation is ಏನಪ್ಪಾ x equal to 2 ಏನಪ್ಪ ರೂಟ್ ಅದು ಓಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು x equal to 2 ಯಾಕಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 2 ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸೊ 2 minus 2 equal to 0 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು 2 minus 2 ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಓಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಓಕೆ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ so only one solution correct or not only one solution please observe my words only one solution ide suppose for example x plus 5 equal to 0 how many solutions are there so for that equation so x is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ -5 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ how many solutions are there only one solution clear ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ what is the degree yes degree is 1 how many solutions one solution andre what you are understanding for example one more thing x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 correct it is what second degree polynomial quadratic polynomial second degree correct so what are the solution x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0, x take common, x plus 3, 2 take common, x plus 3, x plus 3 take common, x plus 2 equal to 0, then x is what? Either minus 3 or minus 2. And how many solutions are there? 2 solutions are there. Are you clear? So what is the polynomial degree? 2. So quadratic polynomial, how many solution? 2 solution. What is the degree? Degree is 2. If degree is 1, how many solution? ಎಷ್ಟು solutions ಇದೆ? ಒಂದೇ solution ಇದೆ. If degree 2, ಅಂದ್ರೆ how many solutions ಇದೆ? 2 solutions are there. Are you clear my point? ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. x square minus x is equal to 0. Find the solutions or roots. Okay, so find the solutions or roots, or you can say zeros also. In your lower classes you will call so like that, zeros also. Correct or not? Yeah. x square minus x equal to 0. Anybody observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ some students ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ. ಏನು? x ತಗೊಂತರು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಒಂದು x ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ x ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. immediately they will write x minus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. ಹೌದಾ? ಹೌದಾ? So x equal to 1 is a what? Solution ಅಂತ they will think. ಹೌದಾ? But here please observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2. But ನಾವೇನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಇಫ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ 2, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? 2 ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು? x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x, ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಕೋಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಸಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are observed that polynomial should containing one root or one solution, one zero. Otherwise, okay, if the degree is 2, that polynomial should containing 2 solutions. Correct or not? But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? x square minus x degree is 2, but here x equal to 1, ಒಂದೇ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? x into x minus 1 equal to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. when a into b 0 either a 0 or b 0. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು x equal to 0 ಅನ್ನು also you should consider. ಯಾಕೆ? 0 ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 0 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 0 ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 0 is also a solution. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ that equation is having how many solution? 2 solution. ಏನಪ್ಪ? 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So that's why tomorrow when you are doing in your PUC section, you should not do those mistakes. Be clear, be observed. Understand all of you? Very good. So now here, what up a note? What is the important point we can take now? Number of solutions. Please write down. Number of solutions of any equation is equal to the degree of that polynomial. Otherwise, number of solutions of the one polynomial is equal to the degree of that polynomial. Okay? Number of solutions of polynomial is degree of that polynomial. Degree of that polynomial. Example ನೀವು ಇದು ತಗೋರಿ, ಇದು ತಗೋರಿ, ಇದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇದು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಇರ್ತದೆ, 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಇರ್ತದೆ, 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ದೆನ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸಾರ್ ಓಕೆ ಸಾರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ SSLC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ SSLC. ದೆನ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಹೌದಾ ನಾಟ್? ಯಸ್. ಸೊ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ third degree polynomial. How to solve on the big question mark? Correct or not? More than second degree. Correct or not? ಇದು ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಅಪ್ ಟು SSLC ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು SSLC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, PUC ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ನೌ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಈಗ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. Find the degree of following polynomials. Find the degree of the following polynomials. Find the degree of the following polynomials. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ polynomials ನೀವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ? ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತ್ರೀ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? 3 ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆ ತರ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತು SSLC ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ next class. So for these homework you please send to me. Okay, and once again I will give my WhatsApp number. Somebody told not given. Okay, 8904641259. Without fail all of you should do the homework. Okay, clear? So thank you very much. Don't waste the time. Okay, simply. Okay, thank you.